Morning everyone, my name is Maria Clarissa Aranza.
My name is Angeline Elgario.
So we're going to make a video on how the process or step in nail care. So I begin the nail care procedure by cleaning my hand truthfully to ensure proper hygiene before handling any tools or touching the client's hand. So I consult the client regarding their preference, nail shape, and style to ensure satisfaction with the final result. After gathering all the necessary materials and tools, I proceed trimming the nails using nail cutter, carefully cutting only the side to maintain the desired shape. Next, I use file to shape the nail according to the client's preference. So to prepare the cuticle, I apply cuticle remover to soften them. So I then gentle push back the cuticle using a nail pusher with both flat and pointed ends, and carefully trim the excess cuticle using a cuticle nipper to avoid overcutting. Then I brush off any debris left on the nail and use a nail buffer to smooth the top surface of each nail. So after buffing, I brush the nail once more to remove any remaining dust. If needed, I apply cuticle remover solution again to clean up the nail area truthfully. For sanitation, I apply Martiolet and antiseptic or disinfectant solution. Once the nail were prepped, I apply the nail polish in the color selected by the client, followed by a clean top coat to give the nail shine and added protection. This completes the nail care session with a clean, polish, and professional result. So that's all.
Good day. Good day, everyone. My name is Angeline Elgario, together with my partner,
Maria Clarissa Aranza.
So this video, we're going to on how the process or step by step in nail care. So first thing is hand sanitation. After that, we prepare the materials. Then ask your clients if may concern siya, like for example, may sugat siya sa nails. Then ask the client what shape they want. And then I get the nail cutter to cut the nail both sides. So after that, I get the nail file to shape her nails. So second, cuticle remover, then nail pusher to start with up and down. So after that, nail brush and nipper to get the dead skin, and brush again. Then use the buffer to smoothen the surface of her nail. Then brush again. Then put the Martiolet sa side lang ng nails. Then the last thing is put nail polish or colorless. And that's all.
These are final result.
And these are final results.